Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So this video is dedicated to the series Flow Masterclass. The difficulty of this flow is intermediate. The business requirement is that we would like to clone a contact and we want that some of the fields, for example like account, address and phone number should be copied from the already existing contact and the user should be able to provide a new first name, last name and email address. Now let's look at the flow. So this flow, it consists of four parts. In the first part, we are trying to fetch the account from the related contact, and then in the screen we will enter the new value of, and then in the third element we will create the record, and the fourth is an lightning component which will redirect user to the newly created contact record. Let's look at each element in detail. So what you would do here, so here we are trying to get the account ID of the already existing contact. For that we have created a new variable which is known as where contact ID. Let's look at this variable. So this variable is of data type record, and as I said, the object is contact, and we will mark it as available for input. So why we have marked it as available for input? So what would happen when you go to the lightning page? You would see this flow component here, and there you can see this variable where contact ID, which will be passing the field value into this flow variable. Now coming on to the flow. So after you have got the account ID, we are going to store this account record and all the values related to this account record. Then next element will be the screen. So I have simply put this name element from the search component. You need to just provide the API name. All the values will be as such. Then in the same way, just put email from the search component. You need to provide the API name of this email. Third one is account. So after filling the API name, the most important part is this record ID. As I have stored the account ID, so I will just simply get this account ID and I will put it here in the record ID. Why am I doing it? Because I want my account to be pre-populated here. So let's say if you're using address, phone number and you want to pre-populate them as well, you will just repeat the same conditions. All right. Then my next element is create. So here you can see four values: account ID, email, first name, last name. The clone contact, it's coming from the screen element. I will just assign the value here, and then what I am doing here, so as soon as the new contact is created, I will store the contact ID in this variable which is named as new contact variable new contact ID. This new variable is just of text type, and please don't forget to mark this as available for output. Why we are doing it? Because we want to use this element in our lightning component, and if we use it here, then what would happen? That when the user will create the new contact, the user will be redirected to this newly created contact. Now let's show you an example. So we will create a contact test5, first name test5, last name test5, email address test5@test5.com. As soon as we click next, the new contact will get created and the user will be redirected to this newly created contact. Thanks for your time. If you want to see more videos related to flow, then please follow my channel. I would be putting a lot of videos on flow and they will be suitable for beginners as well, intermediate as well, and for the advanced user as well. Thank you. Bye.